First steps in building a new floor plan. To start building your floor plans within AllSeated, you will first need to create a new event or select into an existing event. Please review the Event Management Dashboard and Creating a New Event tutorial for more information regarding creating and accessing events. Please note that all individual events will need their own unique event card. However, within a single event, you will be able to create multiple floor plans. This is to ensure that all layouts and setups needed for one event can be organized and housed within one event card. Upon accessing an event, you will be shown the Details tab for that event. If you are signed up as a venue interface, you will see your venue information shown within the venue field. You will be able to bypass the next step, which is to add in a venue in the Event Details page. If you are signed up as a host, planner, caterer, or vendor interface, you will first need to populate a venue. To populate a venue, select the plus Add Venue field. Search for your desired venue in the search bar. If your venue populates, select it. If your venue does not populate, you will be able to upload diagrams and dimensions for the venue through the Upload button in the bottom of the Venue Database pop-up box. You will be able to move forward within the diagramming platform without adding in a venue in the plus Add Venue field. Once ready to create your floor plans, select the Seating tab in the top gray band. Either select the orange Plus button or the New Floor Plan gray button to access the two diagram options. All users will be able to create a custom floor plan by manually adding dimensions for the floor plan. You will be able to adjust if the dimensions will be calculated in metric or imperial, and you will be able to set a background color. If a venue has been populated in the Venue field under the Details tab, the Venue Diagram option will be available. Under this option, you will find all diagrams that have been uploaded for this particular floor plan. Select the circle by the floor plan to get a preview of this diagram. Give this floor plan a name and select Done. The floor plan name is to help distinguish what setup or arrangement this floor plan will be showing. To create another floor plan, select the orange plus button beside New Floor Plan under the Floor Plan sub-tab. Follow the same steps to create additional floor plans. You will find all created floor plans for this event under the Floor Plans sub-tab. Lastly, hover your mouse over created floor plans and you will see several tools and features available regarding floor plans. By selecting the pencil tool, you will be able to adjust the selected floor plan and floor plan name. Selecting the plus button, you will be able to duplicate this exact floor plan and layout within the same event. Selecting the lock icon, you will be able to set a floor plan to be private from all other viewers. Select the lock icon again to make a floor plan back to public viewing. The X will delete a floor plan from this event. Lastly, the arrow will enable the shareable link feature. Please review the shareable link tutorial for more information.